Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Crypto Lens. We are going to check again the crypto market because we love crypto, we have a passion for it, and we're going to start looking at Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has been seeing some crazy price movement over the last couple days. We can see that since the 25th of April, we've seen already a 25% gain, which is of course awesome. Now, what we see is that a lot of altcoins are letting loose of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was always the main bull. That's how we call it. Like, Bitcoin is the main force behind the whole crypto market. This is changing. And that's very noticeable because first all coins were related to Bitcoin, but that's becoming less. And I want to show you an example of that. We have here the Bitcoin chart. Now let's go to the Ethereum chart, for example. We open it in a new tab. We enlarge it, and then we see two completely different things. Yes, we really see two completely different things. It's crazy. So this is kind of similar to Bitcoin, like this slow uptrend, but Bitcoin went down. Ethereum didn't really went down, but it skyrocketed. It's skyrocketing now. It's going parabolic. In the last, since the 23rd of April, it has seen a 75% gain. That's crazy. We are almost at 4K per Ethereum. I remember buying Ethereum at $180 or so and selling them a few weeks later. It's crazy. It's really crazy. So when we take a look at Bitcoin again, because Bitcoin kind of sets the mood for the whole crypto market still, but it's becoming less and less when more cryptos let loose of Bitcoin. So we've been following this trend for a very long time. We can check like the date range here. It started kind of here and stopped here. That were 80 days. That's crazy. That's 3 months. A little less than 3 months, but it's a very long period of time. So basically, this trend was broken on the 17th of April, which caused a major price decrease of 28% from the all-time high. This might shock you. This would look horrible on your portfolio. Very red times. I remember a couple days ago I saw my money sink. I saw my money go up in flames. That's what I want to say. But we are recovering, and this is of course very healthy for a normal bull run, because as you can see here, we also dropped 30% here. 30%, no, not 30% here, 18%. But what we did is we broke the trend line. So what could possibly happen is basically, because Bitcoin is climbing back with this uptrend here, as you can see, like this. Oh. So what we maybe can see is Bitcoin climbing back up. So like this. This is of course not accurate, but I think something like this will happen, and we will see 70,000 very soon. By the way, I do not give financial advice. trade at your own risk, and of course, think when you make decisions. That's of course the most important. Do your own research. I'll give you tips of how I look at it. Doesn't mean that's true, but this is how I look at it. So I expect something like this to happen. We go up and a little down, and then we go up a little. Yeah, it's not very well drawn, but a little down and up again to 70k. That will be the next target. So we'll go down here to this support again. Then we go down here. I didn't draw it very accurately, but we'll go down here because these are resistances. Like this and like this. These are both resistances that have to be broken in order to continue upward trend. We are at a major resistance now to IC. As you can see here, I'll circle it for you. Here, here, all these points, and now we are here. But this time we have a very strong upwards movement, in my opinion. So I believe that this is the time that we break the resistance of 59,000 and go to 60,000 and break all of that too. Okay. Let's delete this. It's beautiful to look at these charts all day. I hope you feel the same, because that's why you're watching this video probably. Okay, so let's look at Ethereum, because that is going parabolic. Let's see if we have a drawing for that. Oh, maybe like a curve. Yeah, that looks beautiful. Oh, that doesn't look beautiful. No. Ethereum doesn't know where to stop. It's going crazy, like really crazy. We are playing at all-time highs right now, like right now. Yeah, this is unpredictable. This is beautiful to see, of course, if you are in Ethereum. Otherwise, it might feel as a missed chance. Maybe we can do some Fibonacci on this and see what the targets will be, because I think it will drop from here. Of course, with Fibonacci you have to wait until it drops further down, stuff like that. But you can see a clear indication of how it's going to drop. That's certain, but it's too early to call a Fibonacci, to be honest. The thing is with all-time highs is, as you can see, there is zero support or resistance. So you can't predict anything because there's no support or resistance. But what you can see is that it's not dropping further in here, because you can see this is a major support, because the resistance flipped into a support. I can see a support line here too, but I wouldn't call these supports. We are, by the way, looking at 15 minutes. And the thing is, this is very dangerous stuff, because we are, let's see, we are up from this last resistance 8%. So let's say it goes back to that resistance but as a support. Then we go back down 7%, which is logical, of course. So when you see these all-time highs, never trade here. Never open a trade here, because in the long run it will always harm you. Because you can see after each peak, down, peak, down, peak, down, peak, down, peak, down. So never buy in the green, always buy when there's blood in the streets. Yeah, so that's very interesting. You can also take a look at DOGE, because DOGE is also crazy the last few days. Wow, that looks beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. I bought Dogecoin a very long time ago. Myself, a little. At like, no, not even here. Like, I don't think. Yeah, I bought like here. I bought some Dogecoin. It was last year, the end of last year. And then this peak happened, and I bought this dip. It's crazy. Look at this. Can't keep up with this. It's green, green, green. Very nice, very nice. So it's today the 8th of May. That means Saturday Night Live will be tonight, featuring Elon Musk. He's of course, he tweeted out that he's the Doge father of yeah, he tweeted that he's the Doge father and will be live at Saturday Night Live. Very interesting to watch. For me it's midnight then, but maybe I'll take a look at it when I wake up. It's beautiful. So okay, Bitcoin is rising. So we can take a look at the lower time frame, so you can see more of what's going on at the moment. This looks delicious. This is the resistance line I just drew. It's a resistance line based on days, so it really has to break up very high in order to be confirmed. Maybe on the 1 hour you can see it more clearly. Yes, you can. I think it's going for that break of the trend line. Let's see. It did something very interesting, because when we take a look at this, nah, it's weak. I wouldn't go at a trend. I mean, what I was thinking of, yeah, it kind of makes sense. It broke here, but recovered here. It's a beautiful example, actually. It broke the trend here, then went down, up, up, and then retest the trend line that it broke earlier here. And I think it's now going for that. Yeah, this would be an awesome point to long on Bitcoin. I already went in on Bitcoin, but you can see it's going for it. If we want to go to 1 minute, you can probably also see that it's ready for takeoff here. Yes. Awesome. This I really love these candles. It's beautiful. Let's see what Doge is doing. Going down a bit. This is like a very weird chart. You can't make anything out of it. Looks like there was a cup and handle. This one. Like this. Oh, didn't draw very well. Well, like this. Ah, it looks fun. I'm very, very, very curious to see if DOGE will hit at $1. Actually, talking about that, I think it might be a good one to check back later on another video to see if DOGE hit that $1. Awesome, thank you for watching. Let's talk in another video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to buy and subscribe, because always buy crypto. Thank you for watching. Bye.